everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a first performance install for the V6 here. Go ahead and come in tight on the engine. This is a stock setup, as you can see right now. Pretty clean, maybe not show quality, but trying to keep it nice. And one of the things you notice right off is that there's nothing out of the unusual, or nothing that really sets it apart if you're going to a car show. So today, as I said, we're going to install our first performance part. I'll put that in air quotes. You'll see what I'm talking about after a while. First thing we're going to do is remove the radiator. It's got 8 push pins here, here, and then 4 across the front. As you can see, I've already got started a little bit, and we're going to zoom in and just show you how to pop out this last one without damaging it too much. If you look closely, you can see there's indentations on either side. I use a flathead to get in there, and then a upholstery removal tool on the other side. You get that centerpiece popped up just enough, and then you can get your tool in, pop out that centerpiece, and then you can use your flathead, and it just slides right out. If you do it right, the centerpiece will pop back in to use it to reinstall the next piece. And once you get all 8 out, that'll lift off and expose that. And next we'll go ahead and grab the performance part. Okay, as you saw in the opening, here is the delivery we got today, fresh from Ford Performance. Outside, and you can see our first Ford Performance mod for the V6. Line that up, make sure your center punch holes are all set, and then we'll grab the parts we used off the last one and pop those in. Again, you can see that these are 2-part pins. If you can get the top part out to push them back in, that's going to make them go in a whole lot easier. And to get that top or centerpiece out, just pinch the sides and then you can pull it up. Okay, there you have it. As you can see, the first Ford Performance mod is now on the V6. Pretty simple. It took all of 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 if you actually watched me pull all the pins out to begin with. But I'm sure that adds at least 5 horsepower to the rear-wheel drive. And it's not a showstopper, but it does give it a nice little custom touch when you open that hood for the first time at the car shop.
Man, that looks good. It probably doesn't really add 5 real horsepower to the car, but it does make a nice touch. I'll throw a link for it down in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. And be sure to like, subscribe, and please comment. Thanks.